and it's not good news. I re-registered my electric vehicle, which I converted back in 2018, I think it was, and 2018 it says no letter. Apparently they changed it in, I'm sorry to advise you, the propulsion to electric was changed in error, the error of Dvla, in as much because I asked for their help and assistance on doing this, and they were very helpful. And it took 4 months of sending pictures and convincing them, and affidavits had to be signed and all sorts of things. Anyway, got through it in the end, did it. But now there's a bit of development. Apparently, so they're saying, vehicles that were registered, not manufactured or just registered, after the 1st of March 2001 can't have basically their fuel type changed due to reasons. I'll put the letter up and you can have a look at it. Or I might not do that, I don't know, might do that for another video. Anyway, whatever, whittling. They've amended their records, and they've now changed the taxation type back to heavy oil. So basically, where my logbook used to say engine type, it used to say, or fuel type, it used to say electric. Before it said oil, then it said electric because I converted it, and now it says heavy oil again. So somebody's actually made a complaint about this, and that's why there's been an investigation, following an investigation into records held about your vehicle. So somebody's obviously complained, so Freedom of Information Act might flex that and see if we can find out who, you know, was it a company, was it an individual? That would be nice to know. Maybe even who, you know, it's like, what's the beef? If it's, anyway, well, go into that another time if it's a pain. So yeah, but it's okay, I can still drive it. I just got to pay about £300 a year in road tax, because obviously it's a heavy polluter being electric, and if I go into an area that's got congestion charge, I've got to pay for that because heavy polluter electric. And I've got to pay back tax as well because of their mistake. I've got to pay all of the road fund that should have been paid, so that's ouch. But there you go, such life. It has saved me lots of money on a day-to-day basis. It's a shame to give it all back to those greedy buggers, but you know, DVLA are doing an excellent job at the moment, as we all know, and we must support them. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. I will keep you updated on this as it all unfolds. We'll just see where it goes, really. I've sent a few letters off to various people, local MP, doubt be interested, but you know, you've got to try these things, haven't you? Otherwise, quiet Ben's getting any toffees, as they say in Scotland. So I think they say that. Anyway, thank you very much for watching.